Welcome. Today we'll walk you through creating WooCommerce coupons from Klaviyo with the help of the Dynamic Coupons for Klaviyo plugin. The first step is to enter your private API key from Klaviyo, which you can create in Klaviyo settings. So I'm going to go to my settings here, select API keys, create private API key. On the next screen, just choose full access key and give it any name you want. I'm just going to name it my key. And then click create. Now select copy here and paste the key back into the plugin and click validate and save. You should get a green message saying that your key is now valid. So let's see how to create WooCommerce coupons using Klaviyo flows now that you've set up your Klaviyo API key. My use case here is that I want to send a 10% coupon to anyone who fills out this form on my website. And this is a Klaviyo form. And this will add customers to the email list in Klaviyo. So the way I would do that is I would go back to Klaviyo, select flows, and then create a new flow. I'm just going to call it 10% off for new customers. Click create. And then I'm going to choose my email list as the trigger. So the trigger is going to be added to list, email list, save. And the next step is to create a coupon in WooCommerce when someone is added to the list. This is done using the webhooks. So I'm going to drag the webhook element here. And I'm going to copy and paste some of the settings from the plugin. So the first is the webhook URL. And the next two settings are security headers. We need to add this as Woo API key and Woo API secret to the webhook. So I'm just going to copy these header names. Okay, I'm going to paste their values by copying and pasting from the plugin. Okay. And the next step is to add the JSON body, which contains the definition of your coupon. You will find a snippet here in the plugin instructions, which you can simply copy and paste. And in this case, it is going to create a percentage coupon for 10%. But you can just leave it at this. Klaviyo will automatically insert the correct email here. So I'm just going to hit save. So this will create a coupon in WooCommerce, and it's going to store it on the Klaviyo profile, as we are going to see in the next step, where we are going to send an email to the customer with this coupon. So I'm going to select email here and just call it coupon email. The subject will be welcome. Here is your 10% off coupon. And I'm going to choose a template. You can choose any template or create your own. I'm just going to modify something that is already in Klaviyo. Okay, let me just change this to welcome. And this coupon code here, which is hard-coded right now, you just need to replace it with a personalized field in Klaviyo that our plugin created, which you can access like this. So just search for DCK, and this will give you two fields. One is the Woo coupon, and the other one is the expiry date. So we can just use the Woo coupon and select insert. There it is. And I'm not going to change anything else. I'm just going to save this and go back to editing the flow. Done. Okay, so we've created the template, and that's pretty much it. I'm going to say review and turn on, and I'm going to hit save. All right, so if everything is set up correctly, I have my email open here. Once I subscribe to this pop-up, it should send me an email with my coupon. So if I check my email, I can see that I have received my coupon code. If you need to find these coupons in WooCommerce, you're going to find them all under coupons. So here is the coupon code that just got created. And you can also see it on the Klaviyo profile. So if you go back to profiles and select the customer, you're going to see that this is the coupon that got generated and what was the expiry date. You can configure the coupon prefix here, as well as the default expiry dates. And the auto cleanup means that the system will automatically remove the coupons that expire, so you don't have to worry about it yourself. So that's pretty much it. You can create really powerful systems with this. Feel free to explore our documentation to find all the details. Thank you.